Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to cook some yakisoba because my friends are coming over. Tomorrow is actually a holiday. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is a holiday. I don't even remember what holiday it is. I'm gonna probably insert it in the video. I decided to ask my friends to come over because, you know, sometimes you get very lonely in Japan, so it's good to have like friends, especially people who are from the same culture as you, because like living in Japan, it's not always as easy as people make it seem. So you have to find ways to keep your sanity. I'm gonna cut up this chicken. So guys, you're gonna cook with me. You're gonna cook yakisoba with me. I don't usually cook with skin, so I'm just gonna throw that away. But this should have taken it from out of the fridge a long time, but it's still tough. I'm gonna be putting it in this bag. Us Jamaicans can never season chicken without garlic and onion. Alright, I'm gonna put some Maggi all-purpose season, some Maggi chicken flavor, and I'm also gonna add some salt to it. I'm gonna let the chicken stay for about 20 to 30 minutes. So while that is being done, I'm gonna just cut up these right here. So I have cabbage, I have carrots, and I have sweet pepper to go in the yakisoba. To pause my cooking because one of my friends are at the station, so I have to walk. Yeah, I have to walk to my station to meet her. Yeah, I'm gonna meet her at my station right now. I live like about 10-12 minutes from this station, so it's not convenient for me. Every time I have to be walking. Japan is all about walking. But anyways, the road is lonely as usual, you know, not many people on the road. Sunday evening. Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing a cat. A cat just ran past the road. That is the first time I'm seeing a cat in my area. That's so cool. Anyways guys, so I'll catch you when I meet up with her. Say hi to my peeps. This is Wendy, my friend. Is on the fire. I'm gonna add oil to it. This is what I use for my pot cover because I don't have any frying pot cover. So this is what I use. I'm gonna let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I add the other stuff to it. The sauce is here. I'm gonna add some water to it. In the meanwhile, I normally wash these. I don't know why, but I don't see like I should wash them.
Oh, it looks so soggy.
That's what they usually are.
Oh.
Yep. I think oil is on it.
Oh.
4 more minutes and then I'll add this to that.